Hey guys, it's Itshlengy. I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this really cute, beautiful top that I'm wearing right now. If you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Itshlengy and I do fashion videos, skincare and hair. So let's get to the video. So this is the material that I'm going to be using. It must be stretchy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be using a top which I already have in my closet. I'm going to use it as a pattern to guide me when I'm making this top because I don't have money to buy a pattern. So it's best to use a top that you already have as a pattern to save some money. So I am done with cutting out the back, so it should look like this, and then I'm going to cut out the arms using this material. So I'm going to be folding my material in half, and then I'm going to place my t-shirt that I already have to cut out the arms. I'm going to be measuring with it. This top actually took me about a day to finish it. It wasn't that hard. So yeah, if you're really into my fashion videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, share with others. And yeah, so this part here I didn't show you guys because my camera cuts, but it's I've cut out the back. I also had to cut out the front. So these are the arms. I'm done with them, and then and these are the these ones are going to be covering my boobs. And yeah, let's put the material together. So this is the back. I'm done sewing it, and I'm going to insert the arms. Now I'm going to sew it together. I will show you guys when I'm done sewing it. So I'll show you guys when I'm done sewing it and how it actually looks like. Right now it doesn't look it looks confusing, but yeah. So yes, this is how it looks like when I'm done sewing it. So this is the back and the arms. Now I'm going to be sewing the front. Here it is, and I'm going to show you guys how I put that together. But I'm not going to show you the sewing process because I'm using my hands to sew, and it's a long process. So this is how it looks like after being sewn. Then I'm going to put together the boobs now, the material that is going to be covering my boobs, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks like after being sewed. So yeah, this is how it looks like, but I haven't sewed it together. I've just pinned it down. Yeah, I'm going to show you how it looks like after being sewed together. So this is how it looks like after being sewed. I've just finished sewing one arm, and I'm going to show you how I did that with the other arm. And now I've put the buttons together, and I'm going to show you on the next slide how I will put the other pins together. So I'm going to be measuring the same material. You see where I've pinned down. This is where the buttons are going to sit. So I'm going to be using my white cotton to put the buttons together. So this is how I'm going to do it. Now I'm done putting down the buttons. Now I'm going to be sewing my other arm. So this is how I did it. It's very quick and it's very easy. And I've just inserted an elastic. So now I'm dealing with. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And this is how this is the final product. This is how it looks like. If you like this video, this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and share my videos with others. Share, guys, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.